Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to disconnect your Trust Wallet app from any crypto exchange platform you might be connected to, step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to open up your Trust Wallet app, which I'm about to do. Whilst you're opening your Trust Wallet, you'd be met with a prompt asking you to input your passcode, which you do so successfully. And once you're done, you're into the Trust Wallet space where all your crypto lies and all exchange platforms are available. So now we're going to be disconnecting our Trust Wallet app from Pancakeswap, which is what I'm using as an exchange platform, by simply going to the D app section at the bottom right corner of my screen, like so. Once you're at the D app section, you scroll down till you look for one of the most popular exchange platforms, being Pancakeswap, which is what I majorly use. You click on Pancakeswap, you give it some time to load in, and once it's loading, you take note of the network you're connected to, because Pancakeswap offers a lot of networks, ranging from the Smart Chain to the Go Chain network and many more. Alright, now we're going to be disconnecting our wallet from Pancakeswap. Rather than going to the settings section of Pancakeswap, we're going to be going to the wallet icon at the top right corner of the Pancakeswap browser. You click on it and you click on disconnect, like so. And once you've disconnected, that's simply it. That's all. No stress, and we're done. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions regarding how to disconnect your Trust Wallet apps from any crypto exchange platforms. The Pancakeswap link is in the description below. Have a great one.